Good morning everyone and welcome to chemistry class. Today we will discuss the classification of colloidal solutions. Let's start with colloidal solution. It is a heterogeneous mixture in which size of particles lie between 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer and they can pass through the filter paper but not through animal membrane. And some examples of colloidal solutions are foams, milk, fog, mist, blood, paints, cosmetics. Okay. Just as in true solutions, the substance dissolved is called solute and the medium in which it is dissolved is called solvent. Similarly, in the colloidal system, the term solute and solvent are replaced by the term dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Or we can say that colloidal solution consists of dispersed phase and dispersed medium. Dispersed phase means the substance distributed in the dispersion medium in the form of colloidal particle, and the dispersion medium means the medium in which the substance is dispersed in the form of colloidal particles, and the colloidal system obtained is called colloidal dispersion or a simply colloid. Now, let's discuss the classification of colloids. Colloids are classified in three different ways based on physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium, based on nature of interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium, and the last one is based on the type of particles of dispersed phase. Let's start with classification of colloids based on type of particles of the dispersed phase. Multimolecular colloids. In this type of colloids, the colloidal particles are aggregates of atoms or small molecules with molecular size less than 1 nanometer. For example, gold salt consists of particles of various size which are clusters of several gold atoms. The molecules in the aggregates are held together by van der Waals forces. And next one is macromolecular colloids. Big size particles are called macromolecules. And the colloids which is formed by mixing of macromolecules having size more than 1000 nanometer into a suitable liquid which get dissociate into small particles having size in the colloidal range is called macromolecular colloids. Naturally occurring macromolecules are starch, proteins, and cellulose. Man-made macromolecules are polymers such as polythene, nylon, and polystyrene. And the next type is associated colloids. The substances which when dissolved in a medium at low concentrations behave as normal strong electrolytes, but at higher concentrations exhibit colloidal state properties. Due to the formation of aggregated particles are called associated colloids. The aggregated particles formed are called micelles. The formation of micelles takes place above a particular temperature called Kraft temperature and above a particular concentration called critical micelles concentration. The most common example of associated colloids is that of surface active agents such as soap and synthetic detergents. For soap, the CMC is 10 raised to power minus 4 to 10 raised to power minus 3 mole per liter. Each micelle contains at least 100 molecules. And the next type of classification is based on the nature of interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. And according to this, colloidal solutions are of two types: lyophilic and lyophobic salts. Lyophilic colloids. These are the colloidal solutions in which the particles of dispersed phase have a great affinity for the dispersion medium. And in case of lyophobic colloids, there is no affinity between particles of dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. Let's discuss the lyophilic colloids in detail. The word lyophilic means liquid loving. Lyo means solvent and philic means loving. So these are solvent loving solutions. As these colloids are liquid loving, their solutions are easy to prepare and can be prepared directly by mixing colloids with liquid. And they are also called intrinsic colloids as they form the colloidal salt directly. And lyophilic salts are relatively stable as strong forces of interactions exist between colloidal particles and liquid. And these are also called reversible salts because the dispersed phase and dispersion medium can be separated by simple physical methods like evaporation and can be reformed by mixing them. And their viscosity is higher than that of medium. These salts are formed by the organic substances. These are highly hydrated. And next one is lyophobic colloids. The word lyophobic means liquid hating. Lyo means solvent. Phobic means hating. So lyophobic colloids are liquid hating colloids. And these kind of solutions cannot be prepared directly as these colloids are water hating. So they can be prepared by special methods only. And they are also called extrinsic colloids because these cannot form colloids directly. Lyophobic salts are less stable as weak forces of interaction exist between colloidal particles and liquid. These are also called irreversible sols because these get coagulate easily and does not form solution again by mixing dispersed phase into dispersion medium, and their viscosity is almost same as that of medium. These sols are formed by the inorganic substances. These are not much hydrated. Thank you students and have a nice day.